Hello friend. Many times what happened when you're working on automation, you need to take a screenshot of your application. Like for example, currently you are seeing my page, and this page I might have to take the screenshot of different elements, like this email address text box is one element, the password which I will provide, that is another element, even the button also, this is another element. So you might have to take the picture of certain element for some UI automation, or to check the quality or the resolution of a particular GUI element. Not only that, you might have to take the screenshot of the entire page as well. And for doing so, we would be making use of Selenium. Yes. So here it comes. In this particular code, what I will be doing is that I will take the screenshot of this particular page which is running at the background. Look over here, I already have a screenshot folder, but I will right click, which I was well, that this folder got generated during my testing time. I will simply go and click on the delete button, and I will say yes, and the folder gets deleted. But still I will go and I will refresh it one more time just to confirm that everything is fine. Yeah, nothing wrong in that. So here is my code snippet. So what I will do is that I will just go and I will execute it, and the Selenium will open the new web browser. But before that, I have to take input from the user, because over here email is there, password is there, that what I have to take the input, and then eventually Selenium will open the tab in the, and where I will see the page, and thereafter you would see something interesting. So let's right click and let's go run and Java application. Remember, we are working on Java, Selenium using Java. So here it's asking for into the email. Well, I can give any email of my choice. Suppose I write john@gmail.com. I'm just choosing arbitrarily. It's asking me to enter password, because as you can see in the background there are two text boxes out there. So let me just go with a password called John, 4-letter password, and I hit the enter. And as I do that, the new tab would get opened with the page that you are seeing in the background. Let me show you that. And here it comes. The page gets open and the page gets maximized, and the input which I have given just now, that was John, and the password was also John. You can see 4 characters. And not only that, what actually happened is the screenshot also have been taken automatically. As you can see, this particular tab is based on the automated software. That's the reason Chrome has been showing that. Let me close this particular tab, and as I do that, I come back to my actual web page, and here is my Eclipse. Let me come over here. You can't see any folder called screensaver, and simple reason is that I didn't refresh the page. So let's come to the project and let's refresh it, and as I do that, you can see the screenshot folder gets generated. So this particular folder gets generated because of the code which I have kept it over here. For that reason, this particular folder gets generated. Let me expand this folder. Okay, over here 4 files are there. That's great. Let me open and show you even in the Explorer, so that we can see very specifically what is there inside this files. So over here 4 files are there, and then just go by the name. There is a button pick, so it's targeting this particular button. There is an email pick targeting this one. There is a password pick targeting this one, and the page that targets the entire page or the browser which you are seeing at the background. So let me open the button first, and here it goes. Wow, that's pretty nice. You can see the button, okay, exact color and the dimension, everything is in front of you. And this is the reason I said many times what happened, you might have to go for UI automation. You need to check the quality. For that reason, this kind of thing is very important. Let's go with the email, and whatever input I have given, even with that, the email is right over there. You can see the email has been shown. Okay, let's come to the password field. It would be also somewhat like that. Since I've given 4 character password, if you remember, my password was John. That's the reason the 4 characters are there, and you can see exactly the 4 characters which I gave initially. This is something that's coming from the base page. Okay, and the last but not the least, let me open the page, and as I do that, oh my god, you are seeing the exact replica of the page. Sound interesting, isn't it? This is exact replica of the page which you can see, and every option that is there in this particular page is in front of you. And the most interesting thing is that it is very much alike to the original page that is in front of you. Okay, so you saw that how exactly Selenium not only is meant to perform UI testing, it also meant to perform the code, because I've already shown you how we can capture the data, how we can put data right over here. And in my next video, as I promised previously, that I will be going with the registration tab. That's what I will be showing undoubtedly, but I thought that before I get into registration, this thing should be will be shown to you guys, because Selenium is it's a platform through which you can really do a lot of things. And in fact, I also have thought to perform few more action in the upcoming days. Okay, so today I showed you that with the help of Selenium we can capture screenshot, and these screenshots can be placed in any project for the documentation purpose, or for referring it to the client, so that the client can perform further look on what you have done actually. Okay, so that's all from this video presentation. Wait for my next video, which is going to be really interesting. Until then, have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye.